Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about protein, a key element for any athlete. If your goal is to gain muscle, recover faster, or simply have a balanced diet, protein is your best friend. So let's get started. First things first, when should you take protein? There's no one answer, as it depends on your goals. If you want to gain muscle mass, it's best to take it after training. This helps your muscles repair and grow. If you are looking to lose weight, including protein in all your meals will help you feel full for longer. Now, how does protein work in your body? Protein is broken down into amino acids, which are like the bricks that build your muscles. Your body absorbs these amino acids and uses them to repair and build muscle tissue. In addition, protein is important for many other bodily functions, such as the production of enzymes and hormones. And the big question, how much protein do you need? A general rule of thumb is to take between 1.6 and 2.2 grams per kilogram of body weight. For example, if you weigh 70 kilograms, you should consume between 112 and 154 grams of protein per day. Remember to spread this amount throughout the day so that your body absorbs it better. But watch out, consuming too much protein can also have side effects. Some people may have stomach or kidney problems. Therefore, it is always a good idea to talk to your doctor before making drastic changes to your diet. To sum up, protein is essential for athletes, but it must be used responsibly. Choose good quality protein sources, plan your meals well, and do not hesitate to consult a professional if you have any questions. Until next time, and train with energy.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.